Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to center icons on your taskbar. First, right-click an empty space on your taskbar to open the context menu. Then, ensure the Lock the Taskbar option is unchecked, allowing you to move elements freely. Next, drag the Quick Launch toolbar to the far left, past your pinned applications. Finally, you can precisely adjust the center by dragging the double arrow separator to your desired position. This method offers a simple, built-in solution. For those seeking more advanced customization, third-party applications provide excellent solutions. These tools offer greater flexibility and precision than the default system settings. You can find several reliable options online, often available for free or a small fee. Once downloaded and installed, these applications typically guide you through a straightforward setup process, allowing you to achieve a perfectly centered look with minimal effort. Beyond simple centering, many third-party tools unlock a wealth of customization options. You can fine-tune icon spacing, choose dynamic centering that adjusts with open windows, and even apply custom animations for a more personalized experience. Some utilities also offer seamless integration with multiple monitor configurations, ensuring a consistent look across all your displays. These features elevate your taskbar's aesthetics and functionality. To recap, you have two main approaches for centering your taskbar icons. The first involves using your operating system's built-in settings for a quick and easy adjustment. The second, and more versatile, method utilizes third-party applications, offering extensive customization and precise control. Whichever path you choose, personalizing your desktop environment can significantly enhance your overall computing experience. Enjoy your perfectly centered taskbar.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.